Today we're installing our beautiful frameless glass barn door. We'll walk you through each step of the process, from ordering your door to size and installing it, from beginning to end. First, you want to make sure that you order the perfect size door to cover your doorway. Refer to the product page and dimensional drawings for recommended sizing. Make sure that you have the correct product sheet, as these sizing recommendations are different for single versus double doors, doors with locks, and different track styles. This drawing will tell you the exact mounting hole height of the track for the size door that you ordered. This dimension is measured from the top of the finished floor. For this 80-inch glass panel, 81.5 inches will be our mounting hole location. Next, we'll use a stud finder to find each stud and mark this height on each one of them. We can now pre-drill the mounting holes for the wall mounting brackets. There should be 4 to 6 of them, depending on the length of the track. Attach each wall mounting bracket onto the drywall and into the studs with the screws provided. Now we can place the track on the wall. Insert the track into each one of these mounting brackets and secure into place with the provided Allen wrench. Now we can prep the glass door for the roller wheels. It is ideal to place the glass door on a soft surface where you can access the mounting holes on the glass from both sides. For this, we recommend using a couple of boxes, as we've done here. Be sure not to set the glass on a hard surface such as concrete or tile, as this can cause the glass to break. Attach the roller wheels to the glass per the instructions. Do not over-tighten. Now the door can be hung on the track. If needed, you can adjust the door for height on the roller wheels and re-tighten with the provided wrench. Now we just need to install the floor guide. We recommend using a piece of masking tape to mark the mounting locations, especially if you have a dark colored floor, so they show up easier. Mark the dimensions on the tape where the guide is to be mounted using a pencil. Place the guide on the tape and mark the screw locations using a dark pen or marker. Next, pre-drill the holes in the marked locations. We recommend first using a small drill bit for precision and following with the drill bit of size shown in the instruction sheet. Once that is done, you can insert the floor anchors and screw the guide down. Now we need to align the door into the floor guide and set the track stops on each side. To do this, slide the door to the desired closed position. Slide the track stop to the roller wheel and tighten. To do the same for the other side, slide the door to the open position. Slide the track stop to the necessary location on the track and tighten. Last, install the handle hardware ordered per the instructions that it came with. And it's as simple as that. Enjoy your frameless glass barn door from theglassbarndoor.com.